Life could be very simple. You just need to be smart 2 times in your life. First time, when you choose your profession, and second time, when you choose your spouse. It would appear that both of you were very smart on both of those 2 occasions.
The chances of someone from Serbia meeting someone from Trinidad and ending up to fall in love are so slim. I am so thankful that both of our families were brave and courageous enough to come to America to make a better life for us both.
13 years ago, I met an incredibly smart and pretty girl who for some reason agreed to date me, even though she was way out of my league.
A boy in a girl's life. Wait a minute, what's going on here?
Obviously, he's a smart guy who's taken a lot of tests. But the most important test Brandon has ever taken, and an indication that he has passed today, is the sister test.
Yelena, you are my biggest hero, my role model, and my inspiration. Being the first in our family to become a doctor, it's hard not to look up to you as my rock.
Hi, Brandon. Hi, babe.
Hello.
How are you?
Beautiful.
Thank you. I love you.
Patrick and Gayla, you've nurtured and cared for your son. Miroslav and Sonia, you've nurtured and cared for your daughter in a multitude of ways. Yelena and Brandon want to express gratitude for the inspiration of your love that enabled you to bring forth your children for us all to know, for us all to love, and for us all to enjoy.
We love you each so much and are so happy and excited that we can share this special day with you guys.
Yelena, I choose you to be my wife, this day and forevermore.
Brandon, I choose you to be my husband, this day and forevermore.
Cheers.
I vow to support you through life's journey in every way possible.
I vow to be the woman you inspire me to be and the woman that you deserve.
And I vow to love you ferociously and passionately with everything I have to offer.
I have loved you unconditionally for years and will continue to do so for the rest of my life.
I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. Brandon, you may kiss your wife. Let's hear it from everybody. Amen.
Let's have a party to remember and cherish for the rest of our lives.